Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create your Wizz account. First, go ahead and open the Wizz app from your device. If you do not have the Wizz application, then you can install it from Play Store or App Store. So once you open the application, you will see two options, continue with Apple or continue with Google. You can choose any option you want. I'll continue with Google. It will take me to my Google accounts. I choose the account. Go ahead, continue. After that, you will be required to put your date of birth. I'll put the date of birth. Then go ahead and continue. Then it will require your Face ID. Make sure your camera is clear, not blurry. So go ahead and position your face fully within the frame. Now go ahead and enter your name and choose your gender. Now you can add your pictures. You can tag any 3 pictures. With this, your account will be all set and you will be logged into Wizz. So this is how you set up your Wizz app. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and subscribe.